Let's just look at the extras on this fabulous car. Today I'd like to do a little walk around of this 1966 Chevrolet Caprice. This is a two-door hardtop. It came standard with a 327 cubic inch engine. And I've had it for a little bit over a year. There are a number of things that we've done to it in that time. We'll go over that as well as some of the things that came with it out of the factory versus what it looks like today. When the car first came out of the factory, according to the build code, the original color was mist blue, and it also came with a black vinyl top. As you can see somewhere down the road, that color change has been made, and it is now a much darker blue. I believe the Chevrolet color is called Marina Blue. In addition to the exterior color, the interior configuration was different as well. This car came with what was referred to as a strato bench front seat, instead of the bucket seats that were in it when I bought the car. The interior color was also light blue to match the exterior color, not the black velour that it is today. When I first bought the car, the console was not complete. There was brushed stainless steel instead of the wood grain trim, and the shifter was still on the column instead of on the floor. In addition to making those changes, I also added a couple of cup holders in order to make things more convenient inside. This car did not come with air conditioning out of the factory, so that was another thing that was added. Moving into the engine compartment, you can see that there are no hoses hooked up for the heater core here. That was added along with the air conditioning, and we can see here the new compressor as well as a brand new aluminum radiator that was added at the time. Most recently, I've been converting the exterior lighting to LED. I've got the rear tail lights, backup lights, and front turn signals taken care of, with the headlights coming very soon. It's a much safer way of handling your lighting. It takes less draw on the battery, and the lighting is just basically better. Well, that's about it for this video. We've pretty much taken care of everything we want to do for the time being on the car, so we'll be just enjoying it for the rest of the summer. I've got some other projects in the works, so for the time being, stay tuned, and we'll see you on the next video.